What's going on, everyone? Thomas from Powerhouse Performance here, and on this week's episode of BSS, I got this 2019 F-250 Super Duty behind me. We installed a fully optioned 4.5-inch Carli Pintop kit. Features king shocks, torsion sway bar, out-of-leaf packs in the rear, high mount steering stabilizer, the whole nine. And for the wheels and tires, this truck has 17 by 8.5-inch method race wheels, and of course wrapped in a Toyo 37-13-50-17 MT. And as you can see, you guys all know that Ford doesn't have a satin black finish, so we decided to run an Avery satin black complete vehicle color change with black accents. Thanks for watching this week's episode of BSS. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video as much as our customer likes his truck.